Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Capo token. So this token just got a brand new central exchange listing today, May 11th, brand new exchange listing. Ilcapo, this token has a lot of different names, but somebody requested, a viewer requested that I do a video on this token. I also saw it on Pink Sale. It had a huge Pink Sale. There's just been so many tokens that have come out recently. It's hard to keep track of all these tokens. But also, this token today is in the top gainer section on CoinMarketCap. Doing very well today. I think it was up well over 100%. I'm going to check that here in 1 second. But we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it, especially since now it got a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to do all that in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So, on Pink Sale, it has the name of this token listed as Ilcapo, all one word, ILCAPO, and ticker symbol is Capo. But if you're looking for this project on CoinMarketCap, it has it listed as IL, and then space, Capo of crypto. So, big long name on CoinMarketCap. This token is actually up 226% right now, doing very well today. And it just got a brand new central exchange listing today on Mexc Global. So May 11th, it's already listed on there. Withdrawals are May 12th. But yeah, so if you want to get this token on this brand new listing here, and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, how you'd get this token is you'd simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Capo, C-A-P-O, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So they have their block explorer on here. This is on the Binance Smart Chain. So their BSC scan says they have 10,975 holders. So they're doing very well. 18 decimal places on this token, 95,000 transfers, and a total supply of 1 billion tokens. So, according to Pink Sale here, it says liquidity is only locked for a month. So hopefully they extended that on PancakeSwap, because that's kind of sketchy there. But yeah, maybe we'll look into that on their Twitter here and see if they did extend the lock. Maybe there was an announcement recently, but liquidity being locked for 1 month is pretty sketchy. Now, they had a huge pre-sale on Pink Sale. They had 327 different investors invest in the Pink Sale pre-sale, and their hard cap was 500 BNB, and they completely sold out 500 BNB worth of tokens. Now, they have a Cyberscope quick audit too on Pink Sale, and it says owner cannot set fees over 25%. Owner cannot set max transaction. Owner cannot mint new tokens after initial deployment. Owner cannot blacklist wallets, and owner cannot pause trading. So all sorts of good stuff there on their quick audit. There's no bad warnings. Now there is a big section though. 38.49% of the tokens are unlocked according to their Pink Sale allocation chart. And then it says liquidity, 16.6% goes to liquidity, and that will become unlocked in a month. And then we got 35% going to pre-sale, and 9.8% of the tokens get burnt. So hopefully all the tokens don't become unlocked and then they, rug everybody or anything like that. So be aware of, all these tokens being unlocked. And hopefully we could check to see here if they are, maybe there was an update though. They have 152,000 Twitter followers. That is insane. They joined in July 2000. So this is the CEO of Capo token. And he has 152,000 Twitter followers, so he's doing very well. But then there's their own, so you can find that one at Easy808. And that's listed on Pink Sale. But then they also have their very own token Twitter here at Ilcapo Coin. That one only has 4,211 followers. But still, they're doing very well. That Twitter just joined in May 2023. But yeah, then they also have a Telegram at Ilcapo Token on Telegram. So yeah, they just announced their new central exchange listing here on Mexc Global. They're also on KCEX Wallet. It says new partnership with them. But yeah, hopefully they extended the liquidity lock. I'm just scrolling through quickly here to see if they did. I don't see any updates about that, so hopefully they did. They're also listed on Poloniex, and they have a DEX tools chart. Yeah, it doesn't say anything about extending the liquidity lock, so hopefully it's extended. Yeah, just be aware of that, folks. So it says, yo boys, Butcher here. Here is the new meme token I've created, the Capo token, dedicated to the biggest counter trading crypto Twitter account, Ilcapo of Crypto. We all know who is a Crypto Capo, aka biggest bull trap I've seen, still short and strong, and more jokes like that. So I'm not a big Twitter guy, so I don't know anything about that. But it says white paper on here, but when I click on it, nothing happens. So maybe that's still in the works. They got some tweets on here from the Butcher, but yeah, okay. I've never heard of any of these people, but all right, they exist, I'm sure. They're on CoinGecko. They're on CoinMarketCap. It has that listed on here. They are on PancakeSwap. They are on Poloniex. Oh, maybe they're not on CoinGecko yet because I'm putting my cursor over it. Nothing's happening. But there, you can click on the CoinMarketCap one. So maybe CoinGecko will be coming soon. Token price today is about 2.3 cents per token. This is very much a meme token. There's not, tons of info on this token here. And just be aware, again, of that liquidity lock. Real sketchy. 1,581 subscribers on their Telegram, so they're not doing too bad on their Telegram here. They have a lot. Oh, wait, that's the wrong Telegram. I just clicked on the wrong Telegram. I was clicking on a Pepe Telegram. Let's try that again. No, that's right. Okay, 1,581 followers so far. For some reason, it just skipped to a Pepe token for some reason. So fully diluted market cap right now, $22.9 million. And then it says market cap, $8 million. And 24-hour trading volume, $37.6 million. Chart is looking good today. I mean, I can't say much bad things about the chart here. It's just the only thing concerning to me about this token is that liquidity lock and then the unlocked token. So be aware of that. Thoroughly do your own research. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.